To a 99-cent store haul. This will be a quick haul for you guys. To it, we're going to start with the things that are not food. Keep in mind, everything here will be 99 cents or less unless it's labeled with a sticker to be a yellow sticker that says it's more than 99 cents. Our tissue, $2.99. That is a staple. That's a go-to. That's something I always get, always have. I got some acrylic paint, doing a lot of crafting right now, as well as this clear foil wrap. A lot of homecoming decor and stuff going on right now. These were 99 cents a piece. If you follow our channel and not just our 99 cent only store videos, you guys will know that, or at least should know, that video should be up soon, about the some of the beauty makeup brands that they carry at the 99-cent store. I went ahead. This is a brush cleaner. It helps you clean your brushes. You actually put your 2 fingers on there and it helps you clean your brushes for 99 cents. This normally retails online or at a beauty store for like 10 bucks or more. 99 cents just for that one. That's actually going in a giveaway. That's the only reason why I purchased another one. This drain cleaner, like this thing retails for like 12, 13 bucks, okay? But they had it for 99 cents and we seem to be having some drain issues. So, and you can never go wrong with having a tool like that in your house when you're a homeowner or just period. So I went ahead and snagged that for just in case purposes. We've got a smoke detector out. They are good. 99-cent store and dollar stores are good for batteries. At least like these kind of batteries for smoke detectors and stuff like that. I do use 99-cent store and dollar store batteries. I have not had an issue with them. Do I have to change them a bit more often than I would with, more name brand and I guess more like energy, Duracell and stuff like that batteries? Probably. However, this does is fine in the smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Okay. 99 cents. I came across these. I've used this brand before, the Chelsea Bells. They have a wide range of women must-have necessity type things. This is just a breast lift, pretty much a bra, a tape bra without straps. I've not used one of those before, but I have a couple pieces in my wardrobe that I'll need something like this for. And they also had the AB size or the CD size. I was very excited about that. 90% of the time, it's always going to be nude, but if it's under your clothes, then you shouldn't have a problem. This was 99 cents as well. If you want to see details on how some of these things work after I've purchased them, just comment below and we'll get the conversation started and I will do videos on those. Let's jump over here to this Terminex 16 ounce, one quantity. I do not know what's in this box. What got it was this weather's changing, so we're having a very bad time with the mosquitoes and moths and flies. Flies are everywhere. But in my house right now, and it's a Terminex Safe Shield, natural indoor insect control, fast acting, safe around kids and pets. This statement alone right here, I saw Terminex. And then I read this little statement here. I was like, yes, must have. This is what you're looking for right here. And then the indoor and safe, fast acting, safe around kids and pets. I'm there. I wish I could have got more, but it wasn't in the budget. So I'm going to open this up and see how it goes and see if we can get rid of these mosquitoes, flies, and moths in our casa. Okay. And this box, this case, this kit, whatever this is, was only 99 cents. Okay. Only 99 cents. Moving on to, I guess, a little extra fun stuff here for fall. You'll see, like I said, if you see my other videos, then you'll see these gorgeous pumpkins, which were 99 cents a piece in the studio. These little puffs. I'm not big on them going on my keychain because they get dirty fast and all that kind of stuff. But I do have DIYs that I want to do with these. They came with the emoji excess, but I'm probably only going to use the puff for DIYs because fall and winter is coming. And these are the perfect colors for that. I.e. this scarf, right? Look how gorgeous this scarf is, guys. Perfect fall scarf. Only 99 cents. Let's see how. So that's going to be nice and wonderful. Only 99 cents for the fall and the summer. Let's move on to the food items. Sorry if the camera's shaking a bit, guys. Now, on the border, Mexican Grill and Cantina, Zesty Ranch Chips. Snack, you know, guys, with all the boys and stuff like that, snacks are a must in my household. These were only 99 cents a piece. On the Border is a well-known place to eat. So these are pretty much like, I'm sure, Cool Ranch Doritos, but maybe even better. This is a, sorry about that. This is a 9.5 ounce bag. I got 2 of those. They were 99 cents a piece, okay? The cereal, Captain Crunch Beach Bash. It says limited edition, sweet corn and oat cereal. It's pretty much Captain Crunch in different shapes and probably a little bit of different flavor. Got 2 of those to fill up. And as you can see on the expiration, they did not expire until December. This will be gone in less than a week. Can't beat that. 99 cents. And the regular cereal size cereal boxes, see down there, 13.4 ounces. 2 of those, 99 cents a piece. The Pringles, 99 cents a piece. Cheez-Its, I got these for the boys, and I got the Duo's caramel popcorn and cheddar. My favorite duo, period, is cheese and caramel. Sweet and salty, that's me all the way. These are actually new, 99 cents a piece. You guys know these things retail for $2 to $3, $3 or more in a regular retail store, but they are 99 cents a piece. The Townhouse Crackers Light and Buttery Original, these retail for $3 or more. Sorry about the glare. 99 cents. Turkey Franks, 12 count, 99 cents. This is a new brand, Garden of Eden. I haven't seen that there. They are open because I've been snacking on them. With a touch of lime, 99 cents for a really big, and they're gluten-free. Hello, goodbye. 16 ounces, 99 cents, guys, okay? Canada Dry Ginger Ale Lemonade. This is new. These are absolutely delicious, okay? Absolutely delicious. 99 cents for that. The Chewy Bites. These retail for $3 or more in a regular retail store. 99 cents a piece, okay? The little Chewy Bites, granola bites. This is the best deal to me at the 99-cent store right now. The Capri Sun Sport Flavored Water Beverage Orange Shock. This is a 10 pouch of these. These retail for $3 or more in a retail store. This entire 10 pack was 99 cents. So yes, I did end up grabbing 3 of those because I do make lunch for 2 of the boys. So this is going to come in crazy handy. Thank you guys so much for joining me on my 99-cent store haul on today. Remember, guys, sustain your family at the best dollar. This store is beneficial. Find one, make it happen. No, I'm not sponsored whatsoever. I'm just a promoter of living your best life per se, but just, you know, sustaining yourself and your family on the best dollar, and that store helps you do it. Make sure you fill your cup. Take care of yourself, fill your cup so it can runneth over. What runneth over is how we can save the world. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. If you thumbs up this video, it does help and support my channel. I appreciate the support. If you subscribe, go ahead and hit the bell. That way we can keep up with each other and we won't miss each other. All right? Until next time, guys, be good to yourself, be good to each other. Ciao.